right now we are headed to the laundromat and we're going to take you along and show you how we do our laundry while traveling in our van. Doing laundry in a van seems pretty straightforward, but Brandon's going to give you a few tips to help you do laundry in your van.
So the first tip I would say is research the laundromats in the area. You read reviews online. Sometimes they have machines that are broken or other issues. The second thing we notice is that laundromats always tend to not be in the nicest areas of town. I don't know, I mean, maybe if you can think of your own laundromats locally where you live, you'll probably realize that a lot of times they're in the more worse off parts of town. So we usually try to go to laundromats during the daytime just to avoid any issues. So far it's been fine, I haven't really had any issues, but that's just something to take note of.
So the first thing we do is we get all of our laundry and we put it in our bags. We got these bags from the dollar store too. They were $1 each. Well, $1 for the big bag, and then you get 2 of these for $1. And they work pretty well for our laundry, don't they?
Yeah, and you can seal them if you want to keep the smell down.
Yeah, so then we just get over our laundry and we just try to find it all and we put it in our bags. First thing we do. So what we do for laundry soap is we get this Tide bottle. This one we get at the dollar store. It does 6 loads and it's only $1. It's really small, so we like it because it fits in our van really well. And then we get these bounce sheets also from the dollar store. They're $1 and you get 15 sheets. We just put our laundry in, and now usually we just come back to the van and we sit in here until the laundry's done, and then we go in and then we put it into the dryer. So Brandon's gonna work, right? You're gonna work?
Yep.
And then I'm gonna clean the van. As you can see, it's kind of messy in here.
Yeah, it's pretty messy.
Okay.
Well, so it's a lot less messy. All the clothes aren't in here anymore. Yeah,
so then we're gonna do that, and then we'll show you after we put the stuff in the dryer. We'll show you where we put our stuff and how we store our clothes. If you haven't seen our van video, I'll link it. There'll be like a pop-up on the video. It'll come across and you can see that, but then you'll know. If you haven't seen it, you won't know where we put our clothes. But our clothes are right in here. So you lift this up. As you can see, there's not very many clothes in my actual closet, whatever you want to call it. So it's going to be a while.
So what do you do now?
I have to roll my clothes to fit in there.
In our van tour video, we didn't really show what my clothes storage looks like. We just said it was in there and just said we use packing cubes. So today, I'm going to show you when I'm putting my laundry away, what the packing cubes look like and what it looks like under the bench seat that I'm sitting on.
Do you like the packing cubes a lot?
They are nice. It is a little bit of a pain, like getting stuff out of here, because sometimes stuff gets piled on the seat and then we have to take it all off. But it is a nice way to organize the clothes that I have in this like under seat compartment instead of having like a dresser or something like that. So let's open this up here and I'll show you how the packing cube situation goes. So here I just have this for my socks, my underwear go in here, and then my other clothes get separated into these 3 packing cubes. Finished our laundry. It took us, I don't know, probably about an hour, hour and a half. If you like these type of videos and you'd like to see us do more of these type, let us know in the comment section what type of videos you want us to make. We have been living in the van now for about 7 months, and so we have some tips, and if you guys have any questions about what kind of things we do, just please leave them in the comment section below. And if you like our videos, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And hit that bell notification icon just so you get notified when our videos get posted.
See you next time.
Talk to you later.